Every Facebook user needs to watch this video and see how to remove or delete offline website tracker of apps that track your Facebook account. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook app. After you open up your Facebook app, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to settings and privacy. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to account center. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to your information and pass and permission. So click on your information and permissions. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on your activity of meta technology. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on disconnect specific activity. Click on that. And it's going to take you right here. In some cases, if you click on disconnect, you may be asked to enter your login username and your password. So once you log in, it's take you right here. Now here, you have all apps and websites that are sending your activity tracking into your Facebook account. And as a result of that, Facebook can use the information to do ad targeting and some of the events you might be interested in. And as a result of that, if you don't want all this website here to send your activities tracking offline Facebook to Facebook account, what you need to do is to review, select app or the website that you want to remove. Like for instance, I want to stop this particular app right here from sending my off Facebook activity to Facebook. So I will select on the app. Once you select on the app, click on continue right here. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on confirm. Activity disconnected. Is that simple, which simply means that the app or the website will not be able to send your offline activity to Facebook account or Facebook developer. It's that simple. By doing this, you are maintaining your privacy of Facebook account. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook activities like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.